Alright people, welcome back to another episode of CC at the Fives. You know what's going on, we're live. Today we're playing crouch potatoes. Ever since we played them in Division 2, their teams changed, they've evolved with the times, and they've become a force to be reckoned with. It's today the day we're going to get our W back. It's been a while, but you know what they say, anything can happen down at the Fives, so let's get it cracking.
Going up there?
He should be.
I think he is.
I don't know where he is.
Louis was saying so he's not playing.
Yeah, listen. We fucked up.
I did this but no. Did he? No, did you see that before? I've always been a rascal barrel.
Wow. Wow.
Never get in the car now. Right?
Hey, I bet he doesn't answer. Hey Jay.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man. Do you understand?
You bottled it.
Just airing out my government. You said it wrong though, so it's alright.
Sorry. I'm on camera.
Yeah, look, you're on camera. Exactly.
Alright. Jay. We're gonna have an intervention for you, Jay. Last episode you was drunk on the pitch.
Martin's here said, oh, he's bottled it, man.
This week, hungover. And these are, what, 2 separate weeks? Is it the sun that's gassing him up? Or what? But saying that, me, the chairman, and Martin and Mateo were all out with him last night. We were all out. And he's the only one who ain't turned up today. Hey Jay, better see you next week. Anyway, today we're playing crouch potato. As you saw, Lil driving forward, great feet. It's just that end product is so unlucky. But now they're coming forward, little 1-2. I think that's Martin getting the shot off. It's nothing for Jacob, can't handle. Anyway, Lil probably holds onto that ball too long. Matt was gone off. But you know, ball's being moved around. The boy Chippindale back in the cut. 6 foot plus lanky Liam. One of the originators of the club. He's been here, he knows what it means. He's been away for a while, but he's back.
Hey, Martin!
We love to see
Martin!
it.
Hey, that's how that girl disappeared as well, boy.
Trying to throw Martin off his game. I won't tell you what I
still
saw.
playing on your mind.
But he knows what happened. Anyway, let's get on with it. You might remember we played against the guy in the balaclava one time. He was good. I signed him. So you done that? 1-0. Cracking start.
And this is the old people stuff. I'm looking for sponsorship still, I need it.
I finished that, man.
Sideline, they're joking me about being old. But Sydney, trickery. He's new to, he's not new to
Hey,
it.
that's how that girl was disappearing all night, boy.
Slightly up onto Martin, but he's done good by not letting Sydney get away. He only gets a little tame shot off. Keeper saves. Anyway, 1-0. I mean,
Did you
1-1.
score yesterday as well?
Anyway, that ball into Chippindale. Tried to chip him. Jesus Christ. Off the upright. See if that one would have went in. No matter how replays he would have got.
No, the
Don't even gas me. 1-1. He drove all that way just to drive back. It's like he forgot something at home.
Well in, Matt.
Anyway, Matt going in there.
Man, mind you.
Puts it down the wing to Louis. Into the corner. Trying to use that strength from the gym.
Turn.
Nothing comes from
Let's
it.
get another one. No shot.
Need a little ball roll.
Hey, you should have man mucked the girl like that
extra
yesterday,
inch.
still.
That's it.
That is crazy. Crazy. Don't go too far.
Louis gets a shot off, but it's blocked. They're coming forward, trying to make some moves of their own. Dancing feet. I've seen them dance to the dance floor just like it. Doesn't go anywhere. They say shoot for the stars.
Good.
I don't think they meant literally. Back in the mixer, still 1-1. And they're pressuring us right now. They look like they might take the lead. Ball out wide. Just a little one back in. Puts that away from Jacob. It's 2-1.
Finish.
Do you know what? Yeah, I think this is something that happens with us here. Once they score, we try and go all out attack. And we get caught on the counter. Something like this. 3-1, blink of an eye and you miss it. Trust me, man. It's crazy, I know the video's late. I get DMs asking me, when's the video out? Are you not gonna put it out? What's happening? I didn't realise we were so wanted. But it doesn't quite show in the subscribes. So please hit the subscribe button. Follow, like, comment, all that good stuff, man. I know you lot do that to your favourite YouTubers. I know you don't want to feel like you're just on the bandwagon and all of that. But it goes a long way. Supporting your locals, you know. You see us every week. Why don't you support us like you support people you've never met before? Why do they hate us so much? But you know what they say. There's a thin line between love and hate. Anyway, 3-1. Free kick close up. They're looking to twist and turn, keep possession of the ball. They're very happy to do so. I mean, we're chasing the game. We need the goals. Not much coming from that clip, so we move on swiftly. Jacob rolls it out to Lil. You know, the tricky customer wants to drive, use those long legs. Gets the ball into Sydney. Sydney gets a turn just to get a little toe punt off.
Unlucky.
Just wide. Still in possession of the ball in the corner, trying to make something happen. Sydney keeps the ball close, turns out, keeps the ball, passes it across, and the ball just moving ever so swiftly along that green grass. Lil trying to make something happen, dancing on them. Sid should be finishing those.
No, work back.
Cox, he wasn't the danger.
3-1. This guy just likes scoring against us.
Mateo, innit? He's very good at fights, Mateo. Like that, innit?
Give him his props though, man, where it's due, man. He's good down there still. Good player. But you can see the boy Liam battling it out.
Liam,
trying to
remember
get
you're
that
on your
ball.
own, yeah? Oliver, man, who saw that coming?
Matt telling me how it is. I didn't see it coming, if I'm honest. And I'm watching this back. 5-1, we've given ourselves a mountain to climb. We do it to ourselves, man. Now they just look like they're in strong possession of keeping the ball going forward now. Look, twist, turn, bang. 6-1, I'm starting to look a bit lackluster out there now. Looking like we've run out of ideas because the 5 goes down. Pass inside, cut out, they get a shot off. They get lucky there. 6-1, we know what they're about. Possession and then break forward, bang. Martin tries to do a little jinky-majink, doesn't quite work out. Lil the same. But you know, tricky customers like to try different things. Sid just working with a bit of strength there. But he gets it back. Start again. Lil Martin going at it. Lil comes out the victor, still got the ball. Little one inside, that turn there was brilliant. It's unlucky, but the keeper saves. 6-1, they're starting to play mind games.
6-1.
6-1, but the game's not dead and buried yet, man. Try a little ting, pass it inside. Jacob starts again. Looks like he's running out of options. They're trying to support Matt getting up there. Little turn out, keep possession. Someone should have been a bit wider here, so obviously I occupy that space. Give a little bit of breathing room into Matt. Left foot. That one dribbles. 6-1. And they seem to just be happy with the ball at the back. But this is what I say about them. 1, 2, 3. We know what's coming here. 7-1, a little mistake at the back. Still tinkering and trying to get to know each other and how we play. But surely we're above that now. Now we should really be making it happen. I lose out there, they drive forward. That one's crept in. And with half time coming, that's 8-1. Changes need to be made. Otherwise this one could get embarrassing.
Hey. No, they're a good team, isn't it? That's the thing.
It's a lot of mistakes.
Yeah, it's mistakes.
That's all it is. Like, they're not
And they're clinical still.
Yeah.
They're not like.
We're letting the GK down, I'll be real.
Yeah. We're not working as hard at the back end. When we go forward, it's like we're too high and then we don't drop. We have to drop in and follow our man. If we're gonna go 1-1, we've got to stick to that one man. Don't let it float in that. You through the ball a bit more. Their goalkeeper saved a couple still, I'm not gonna lie.
Good, isn't it? No, they should, if we scored the chance that we had, it would be fair.
It'd have been different, yeah.
We just not scoring like that. My probably the worst chance we had.
Yeah, but they're the goals that go in against him. 1-on-1, see, you can't beat him.
Yeah.
The goals are from distance because he's not ready for it. 1-on-1,
Yeah,
he's
1-on-1, he's good. Because he plays that space that can do it.
8-1.
8-1.
8-1.
8-1. I mean, we've done it first half, we can do it second half, right? We just got to defend for our lines. Huh? Don't worry, you kept us in game before, innit? We got to keep you in game now, innit?
Alright, second half on the way. 8-1. And they continue how they finished off the second half. Keeping possession, coming forward, recycling. You know how they play by now, you've seen them a few times.
And Louis gone. Good.
Lil's long legs, cuts that one out.
Finish.
Gives to Chippindale, sends Mateo to the shots, give it back to Lil. Keeper saves. Yeah, the ball is being moved around now. Lil gets a shot off. Save.
Yes.
Gets the second one though. 8-2. Steep mountain to climb. I ain't ever been hiking. but we'll make it happen. 8-2, we've got to leave everything out there. So we've got to go a bit more attacking. Louis in the corner, no help. Turns out, gets one to Lil. Lil tries to shoot. It's off the post. Eight-2. Just keeping possession. 1-2 passes into the pockets. Then they start again, recycle. Blue using his body strength there. Flicks on that, starts again. Nothing wrong with it. He gets it back. Still driving forward. Gets a shot off, it's blocked. It's unlucky. (8-2), they're very happy to just keep the ball at the back. And they can do. Fair play to them. But they want to come forward and score more goals. Of course they do. The camera's out. Anyway, Lil just came back from Brazil to show some skill. I don't think they'll be appreciating that. 8-2. They're coming forward. Mateo in the corner. Finds a way out. And they find the back of the net.
Well, if you see someone passing on like
9-2, and it's starting to get a bit ridiculous now. They're just having shots at will. That one's off the upright. You know when you see the zoom. Boom. 10-2. What can I say at this point? It's a bit embarrassing still.
lucky.
But as usual without Jacob, it'd be way more embarrassing than this, because Lord knows the amount of shots he saves. We couldn't actually fit them all in. It would be a movie. You might as well have the full game. I'm just slowing him down back towards the goal, so he has to go backwards. We're rocking and rolling. Chippindale out to Matt. Little battle with Cogs. Little slip as well. We'll take the foul though. No options. Louis starts again. I get the ball out wide to the boy Chippindale. Little flick to Louis. Gotta do better. Let's go. It's unlucky. He's battled so well. Just didn't get saved that. Yeah, Jacob doing the same on the other side. Keeps this game from getting embarrassing. Anyway, little rollout. And you see the zoom. Boom. 11-2. Yeah, man, we look a bit lackluster, man. Into my feet, I don't mind that round the corner, just a bit too much on it. Take a bit off that and Liam's through.
Oh, yeah, unlucky, that was a fucking pass.
Bit of good play in that. Alright, unpopular opinion though. I'm a fan just like you guys. I watch this the same time you watch it because I enjoy it just like you guys. Anyway, enough of my own opinions. Let's get back to this game. 11-2. Running out of ideas, running out of time. Put a ball in behind to the boy Chippindale. It's a loose pass. to the corner shot. 12-2. Scoreline's getting crazy still.
Was that the other guy?
Lil did a little flip flap. He's been to Brazil, but I'm not sure which Brazil he went to. Anyway, they're runners, look. They're just outrunning us, outworking us, outmoving the ball. They're just making things happen. Anyway, Liam decides to go alone. Gets a shot. It's over. Anyway, Martin wants to stand me up. Somehow he's still got the ball. Tries to go through me. He has to go round. Nothing coming from it though, so we move on. 12-2. Still a little bit of time to go, so it's still time for goals either way. Probably not time for a comeback, but time to maybe put some mistakes to bed, maybe make something happen, just be exciting and enjoy the rest of the game. But you know, when you see the zoom, boom.
That was so good.
13-12. We're starting to do nothing. We're shooting from anywhere, no passes are making it. 1-2, we're looking a bit off. That's a bit better. Keep it safe. Can you see the zoom? 14-2.
What did you say to Louis?
There's not much for me to say at this point.
Finish you. Hey, well done.
Hey, the way Liam gets on back. 6 foot plus lanky Liam. Sends the keeper to the shot. Gets on back. Won't do nothing for us, but it's always good for our shooters to get shooting. (14-3). And they're just happy to toy around with us right now, man. Ball being moved, drags 2 out of position. 3-3-2. It's blocked. Goes backwards. Start again. They do. They come forward, drives one in, somehow gets it back and gets a shot off, but Jacob's there. Anyway, it's our turn. Louis.
There you go, Louis.
Gets one. 14-4. Couple minutes left, but Louis seems to be waking up now. Gets a shot off, it's saved. Lil wins that one back.
Pass it.
Told you Louis is waking up. 14-5. Jacob's taken one there again as usual. He's so good. The scoreline doesn't actually reflect how good Jacob is. I try a little thing, it's no good. Leg just couldn't get there quick enough. You know what I'm gonna say. When you see the zoom, 15-5, just when we start getting in our stride a little bit, they do us. And it looks like they're back in their stride. They didn't even get a zoom this time. 16-5. To be honest, I'm kind of glad that this is the full-time whistle. Because I should have finished that. But I didn't. So with that, the game ends 16-5. You can see on our faces.
Thank you.
Let's do better.
Got to catch it with the analysis. Go on, Matt.
I just said it was mistakes with everything.
Yeah.
I can't even solely play the area. Really bad.
Alright, so what's
The
going
going
on?
forward was okay. Just couldn't come away, did it?
No.
I hope I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, but
First half was all
people make mistakes, don't they?
Yeah, come on, man. Everyone makes mistakes.
Not too hard, is
He'll go again next week.
I think it was better, innit? It was
They were clinical.
very good.
It's quite hard to pinpoint, really. Isn't it?
You
When
know,
you actually think about it, unless you actually look at the game back,
Yeah.
yeah, hard to kick now.
it was constant. They're a great team.
Oh, they're quality, yeah.
What was when you was on the sidelines, what did you think?
I think their passage is just better.
Yeah. They made the
Much
ball
better.
quicker, innit? And
Yeah.
when they're direct,
Yeah.
innit? Like, a bit.
And their spin-offs, their runs.
I got Red Bulls.
Alright, sweet. Yeah.
See you later.
There's more direct, innit? Like,
Yeah.
when they're going, bro. Like, when we're going, we're like half going. Yeah. But that's where Lil comes in. And he's more direct, and sometimes it's finding
You know when
the product to let
you
him
know
down a
that
little
sort of
bit.
thing, I was set up and generally excited. Obviously with Jay not coming today.
Yeah.
I reckon that team are going to be fucking faces. I reckon they'll be a different team before.
Yeah, he's more direct, innit? That's what I'm saying. When him and Lil like together, they're more direct together, innit?
Yeah.
So it's just one of them things. But
See you, mate. Good to see you.
I don't know what it is. You tinker with the team, try and get everything. It's fucking hard work, man.
It really is, but I reckon that team's got potential.
Watch the,
That
yeah.
team, man, that's it.
Yeah.
Other player, what's Sydney?
Sydney, yeah.
Is he playing every week?
I think he'll be here probably like for pre-season. But yeah, man.
The better team won today.
Yeah, the better team, man.
They're quality all over the pitch, aren't they?
And their keeper is very good today, innit? I mean, he's very good in general.
He's through one-on-one. He's unbeatable, isn't he? He really is.
Yeah,
I think the goals we did score against them were from fucking.
They were more jammy, like.
What's that?
They were more like jammy goals. They weren't like goals, like where like people were going one-on-one and you think, oh yeah, that's gonna go in. They weren't getting in. But
I think Lil was the only one to score the one-on-one. I think Lil flicked it round him a couple times.
Yeah.
Lil did the same actually.
Liam flicked it around him.
But I suppose to dummy him, that's.
Yeah, we dummied him as well and he rolled it.
That actually,
Yeah.
2 times we would have scored with that actually. What was
Yeah,
the
there was a few, like, at the beginning, I think there was a few goals when we could have scored, and it would have been different, like maybe a different game, innit? But that's the thing, once they start getting momentum to score goals, they're gone.
16-5.
16-5.
When it looks like that, alright. He's what it is. He's going on this week.